What is your name?
Ivana.
And what do you like to do?
I like to eat ice cream a lot.
How many how many siblings do you have?
What do you mean?
Brothers and sisters.
Oh, got two sisters. One's my real one, and one's my half one. She doesn't live with me.
Oh. Do you get allowance?
What does that mean?
Do you get money from your parents if you do chores and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, how much do you get?
20.
Wow, that's a lot. How old are you?
7.
Wow, you're big. What grade are you in?
7th and the first.
What's your favorite movie or show?
SpongeBob. My life is Teenage Robot. No, that's like a show to leave. I had Puffy and Newman.
Oh, those are cool shows. Who's your favorite actor or singer?
My favorite singer is Michael Jackson. Sure, I like a lot, like Black Eyed Peas, Justin Bieber. It's cool. Oh yeah, and the actors: Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie. What?
Are you sad that Michael Jackson died?
Yep.
What were you doing when he died?
Sleeping.
So, when's your birthday?
February 1st, and the date's February 8th, and like 7 days ago was my birthday.
Oh, how was that? Was it fun? What'd you do? What'd you get?
Got a birthday card. That's it.
Oh, well, that's fun.
And this is the movie.
Oh, the Michael Jackson movie? Oh. What's your favorite color?
Pink, light blue, red, dark blue, purple. Did I always say pink?
Yes.
Light purple, yellow, green.
Who did your pretty hair? Who did your pretty hair?
I did it all by myself.
All of it? Even the braids?
No. Only the vein.
Huh?
Only this part right here.
That's very pretty. What's your favorite food?
Cinnamon rolls, and chicken. Pizza, and nachos. And oranges. Not like nasty, rotten oranges.
Do you like school?
No.
You don't?
No, because if my class is bad and some other classes go, like all of the first grade classes go outside, we don't even get to go outside. Unless if their first grade classes are bad, they still get to go outside.
Do you get good grades?
Yep.
What do you get?
100. The first day of school, gotta be.
So, do you have anything you want to tell us about yourself?
I know Justin Bieber.
Do you like anyone your age?
Not really.
Well, then I guess it's it. It was great doing an interview with you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.